Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm going to show you how to deactivate Facebook account. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First of all, you're going to click at the down right, the menu, and you will click the top gear above and you will go to your account center. See right here, you will see more in account center after you press it. And you will go to personal details and you're gonna see the contact info, birthday, and account ownership and control. So you're gonna proceed to account ownership. Okay, and you go wait a couple seconds and you can see right here that the activation or deletion, we're gonna proceed to it. And you're gonna see the Facebook account right here. We're gonna choose our account on Facebook that we want to deactivate, and you're gonna proceed to deactivate your account by clicking continue. It says right here, this is the pages that this account have. So we're gonna proceed to deactivation and you're gonna enter your password and you're gonna proceed. And it says right here, state your purpose, and in my case I'm gonna say this is temporary, I will be back, and I'm gonna scroll down and proceed. Instead right here, choose the amount of days that you want to deactivate your account until Facebook reactivated after maybe 7 days, 6 days, whatever days that you want. Let's say 4 days. And I'm gonna proceed, and basically your account will be signed out and will be deactivated for this amount of days. So basically that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.